I've recently installed this UPVC window in a SIP panel building, and what you'll find is you will have some air gaps around the side. These gaps can be filled using 3C's GP if the gap goes to about 4 to 5 millimeters. Anything bigger, you can use 3C's construction foam. Pop the nozzle in, squeeze the foam. Once it dries, it'll ooze out, then trim it off with a trimming knife. Now you can cover the gaps using a UPVC trim. I'm using multi-use and applying 2 thin lines the full length of the bead. These are cut down to size with mitered corners. Place these over the gap, applying some pressure. Make sure it's in the correct position. You can apply some sticky tape to assure it doesn't slip down whilst it's drying. Apply the adhesive in the same method. Place into position, then apply further masking tape while you're applying the third and fourth piece. So now my window is sealed and airtight and aesthetically finished off with the trims. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.